Like that motherfucker went over the ball. Oh,
He's nice. He crossed his shit up.
That motherfucker probably got
Shook him up, look.
I told you it was jealous slippery. I knew you. Hey, that dog something else.
Yeah.
Hey, it probably like fighting other dogs too, huh?
Yeah, he just be playing with him.
Is that a bully?
That's a Frenchie.
Oh, it's a, what's the difference in them two dogs? They look the same.
Yeah, I agree with you. These ones just a little more playful.
This one aggressive though. It looks aggressive.
Yeah, when he wanted to be, he got that bulldog in him still.
They ain't gonna bite me, nigga, if I do too much.
Yeah. What y'all need to